case anybody ever asks, "Ooh, where do you get your protein from?" You say, "I got it from some bleached almond flour." Oh wait, did I do it right? Oh, a half a teaspoon. Whoops! Does anybody else get confused when they're baking? Like when you're like, "Oh, okay, I got 3/4 of the baking soda, but 1/2 teaspoon of the powder." Let me just read that 5 times to make sure I have it correct. And a pinch! We're gonna have to count. Okay, half. Whoa, that is super scented almond-like. That's strong, McCormick! That is strong! Alright, okay, we get this, and it's gonna go in this. You're gonna make this nice and moist, and is pretty spreadable and movable and malleable, and once you get that, book yourself a massage, because your shoulder is going to be sore. I don't think the coconut was supposed to turn out like this. It says 3/4 coconut. 10 minutes. That's not what you want to do. I'm like constantly checking to make sure it's not burned. We got coconut. These turned out okay, but you know what? My nephew would be proud. Let's give it a try, because you know what? Maybe we really shouldn't judge aesthetics. It should always be about the taste. Okay. It's a hassle. It took like 2 hours for me to make. Wow. It was worth it. You bite into this, it just has a really nice cookie texture. It is such a moist, soft cookie. It's incredible. And the frozen chocolate on the bottom? Yes. Yes. I think my only critique would be I am not used to a dairy-free caramel. I actually don't eat caramels. Just the distinction of caramel flavoring and getting used to that. So my friends, I hope you have an amazing week. If you try these, I really want to know, what are your thoughts? And would you like me to try any other Girl Scout cookies and veganize them? I bet I could find a recipe online. I could do the review, and I can definitely let you know how it came out. If you would like to see that and more amazing vegan videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and make sure you click that little notification bell. That way you never miss a video. If leaving a comment, leaving a like, that helps my channel grow and it helps let me know that I'm making content that you like. So my friends, I hope you have an amazing rest of your week. Happy National Girl Scout Cookie Day! Have an amazing month, and until next time, stay flawed.